Welcome to Nailed It.
Watch as 3 kids compete to copy Halloween treats. Let's meet the contestants.
My name's Jaden and I'm 8 years old, and I once came up with my own recipe for hot chocolate cookies, and they turned out goodish. Goodish. I'm Andrea and I'm 10 years old. I once baked cookies and they were burnt. And I'm gonna nail it! Yay! I'm Harmony. The most I've ever baked is pouring a bowl of syrup. I'm gonna nail it. We're ready for Baker's Choice. And we're gonna nail it! With a hammer!
For this first challenge, each baker will choose one of these 3 treats and try to replicate it. Two, three, open and choose.
This is a bag made out of the top of candy corns, some candy eyes, Oreo, and I think I can nail it. I got a spider. It's gonna have pretzels for the legs, candy corn fangs, and candy eyeballs. I got a black cat with ears made of chocolate chips, eyes made of eye candy, and fangs and nose made out of candy corn.
Okay, each contestant has 5 minutes. Don't start until we say go. Grab your trays.
All your pieces are all pre-cut.
Go!
The pretzels are too fat. I'm gonna run out of time before I can get it. What if I use frosting to glue it back on? It isn't working. Doing fine over here. No need to look. It's probably still edible, people.
What are they doing over there?
Yeah. Okay. Nailed it.
1 minute, everybody. You have 1 minute left. This is disgusting. I'm not eating that. Well, that's time.
Hands up.
Drop everything. Hands
Hands
up.
up.
All right.
Harmony's
Oh.
got, this is hers. And there's the
Let's put
example.
them on this so you can see them all.
So she has a wing, one wing,
She's got her fangs.
another wing
lost
here
my
that
wing.
kind of
That's
fell
okay. It
off,
broke off. It's all
2
right.
fangs and 1 eyeball. So it's a 1-eyed bat. All right,
pretty good.
I like it.
I'm looking at Jaden's.
And let's see,
All right.
Jaden,
Jaden.
what do you got here?
A weird cat. Hey.
Okay, so this one's the
Looks
example,
good.
right? It's got the
Yes.
2 little ears up here. And here's the one you made. He's got ears too. They're not in the exact same place. He looks pretty good though.
He forgot to brush his teeth.
And Andrea,
Thank you.
which one's the example, Andrea?
That's the example.
Okay. Alright, that looks pretty good.
Okay. One of you did exceptionally well this round, and you, since you're the one to watch, get the golden
Ish.
chef hat. Andrea, I'm pretty sure she's the winner. Harmony, you struggled a little bit more than everybody else on this challenge, so you get a special
For the
bonus.
second challenge, each contestant will decorate a caramel apple to match the example that was created by our lead chef. Who's ready for our last challenge?
No, me.
What are you gonna do?
We're making caramel apples!
Let's see what we have to nail.
Oh. This truly is a monster.
You got 20 minutes on the clock starting now.
Minutes? It's hard to work with the chocolate.
You can say annoy, and then Dad will go and annoy the girls and distract each one separately.
Annoy. 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 I despise you.
So Andrea, how's that going on there?
Yes, well the chocolate is hard to work with.
It's hard to work with?
Yeah.
Here, let me help you then.
Thank
Let me
you.
here. Help you a little bit.
Yeah. And your face! I should put this in your
That's not fair. That's not fair.
I should get this to a different angle. Fling it.
You gotta smooth it on there. Smooth it on there like that. Okay.
I think that's
Yep.
good. That's
Okay, if
good.
you want more help, just let me know.
Okay.
Oh, we gotta get some on top too.
Yeah? Okay.
Yep, up there. There we go. Oh yeah, that
Yeah.
looks really good.
Good.
Jaden, looks like you could use some help.
Nope.
Yeah.
No,
well,
I'm good.
Let's see. Did you get chocolate everywhere it's supposed to go?
Nope, I'm good.
Let's see. Oh, I see. I see a spot that's missing chocolate.
No, I'm good. I'm
Add to
good.
theirs.
I'm good. I think I'm good.
Here, you want a bite? Here, you want some? Look, it's delicious. Try it. Try it.
I already did!
These should go on here somewhere like that, right?
Dad, stop.
Well then here, try the chocolate. It's really good. How was that, Harm? Did I know him enough?
Oh, that chocolate is good. Okay, so it looks like Snow White's apple here. Panic, 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 panic.
Panic. Okay, Harm. I'm coming to help you. What do you need help with? I can't do it for you. I can tell you how to do something.
Right here, I'm not giving
So I would pick it up and dip it in that chocolate there to cover it. Chocolate on your thing. It's still wet. That help? Like you can, or you have wet chocolate here. I would scoop it up and then I would put it on there. Got it?
Oh no. I did too much green. Yeah, my eyeballs are gonna get buried.
3, 2, 1. Hands up! Who thinks they nailed it?
I nailed it with the hammer like I was talking about at the beginning. Nailed it.
Nailed it.
Nailed it.
We're gonna need a minute to conference.
Let's line up all the apples right here so we can see them. This is gonna be tough.
They all did a really good job.
I did. You all tried really hard, and you did a great job. And we've decided that you're all winners. And your prize is you get to make more candy apples!
Yay. What about the prize that we bought? Yeah. Who gets that?
So when we looked at the eyeballs, we noticed that Jamie's are intentionally not lined up, and you guys all tried to line them up, except Harmony's are a little bit off. Some of the teeth are going underneath the apples instead of being up in front where you can see them. So it's really hard to tell which one's the best. The winner of the contest is
Harmony.
Harmony!
Where you going, Harm?
Eat that.
Harmony, you just nailed it. You have a whole pack of gum. What are you gonna do with it?
Eat it. Smile. You're worse than.